Yo, what is up, Wolfpack? Wolfsteiner back here with another video, and today we have a very, very special unboxing. This is a package from eBay, just an ordinary package. It has my name, of course, on the back, but it's actually really big. It won't even fit on camera, but about the size of, I'd say, 2 cards stacked. But yeah, the reason I'm doing it over here because this is a card video, and this is a very rare card video, probably one of my rarest. It's actually my first card unboxing on the channel, actually. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this open. I am probably the luckiest person, honestly, to get one of these. So, pack it up. So, here it is out. Let me move that camera up. There we go. That's why we can't have nice things. Okay, now everything's just gonna fall, of course. Alright, it's fine. If it falls again, we won't worry about it. But anyways, let's see. It's taped up, so we're gonna have to open this from one side. And now the other. Awesome. Let me go off camera for a second here. Just to get open. Alright, now all we gotta do is unwrap it and we can reveal it together. Here it is on the back. This is an autograph. Wow. Oh my god. It is a 3 of 5 Ric Flair silver historic autograph. This is a cut autograph right there. Number 3 of 5. Wow. And this even has the Beckett authentication right there on the top. Wow, that's awesome. Ric Flair. That's amazing. So 3 of 5, as you can see right there. This is 2018. The King's historic autograph. Right there. This is awesome. It even comes in a case. But anyways, guys, I won this in an auction, actually, for only $25. I'm pretty sure that was the starting bid, and I was lucky enough that no one else bidded. This product is so much more expensive than that. The last one of these I saw, because there's only 5 in the world, and it's Ric Flair's autograph. Last one I saw go for about $400, and I can't believe I got this for only like, I think it's like $30 shipped. So this is very awesome. Ric Flair. Man. This is my first cut autograph. See, here's some of like the all-time legends they have. They have like Babe Ruth, Michael Jordan, Muhammad Ali, Mickey Mantle, a lot of deceased players and famous people. And Ric Flair's one of them. Awesome. So, yeah, I guess that's gonna do it for today's unboxing here on the channel. Very cool. Trying to just flip it around so you guys can see everything on it. Pretty cool, honestly. So, let me take it off camera right here. There it is, standing up. About the same size as a regular card. A little bit bigger. Or the height-wise. Width is a lot thicker. But yeah, awesome. Very cool autograph from eBay, and I can't believe I won this for the amount of money. I could not. I'm still like shook that I won it for that much. But yeah, actually right here we have Ric Flair's Hall of Fame printing plate. So those two go awesome together. Right there, both framed. So yeah. Very cool. That's going to do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment. If you guys have any cuts, I'm interested. No, it doesn't have to be wrestling related, but if you guys have any cuts, period. They're really rare, honestly. They're low numbered. They're usually typically of number to 5 or 1. So, yeah. Let me know if you guys have any cuts. I'd be interested. See what you guys have. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. To Sawi.